Hey guys, welcome back. All right, let's just get everything set up. Yeah. Can you guys hear me okay? All right. Okay, so let's have a look. Let's start. Market's open and it is doing its thing. So let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so here we can see yesterday it played out perfectly, consolidate, manipulate, expand. We could see, I don't know, price maybe come down to go higher. That would make sense. So we'll have to just keep a close eye on it and see. So maybe into this, pull back into this area. Yeah. So I'll take all of this off because that's not relevant. I mean, some big ass fair value gap here. All right, so 15 minutes. Just seeing if there's anything that stands out here. So, I mean, if we really want to do it right, then it's most probably going to be this one here. And this will be a blue fair value gap. And it's just that top 25% that we need to test to bounce from, so it doesn't have to fill the whole gap. Just so we all on the same page there, just have a look. All right, so nice big gap open here. So we might fill the full gap here. But let's see. Okay. Now we are in the 1 minute. There's the view up there. There's the anchored view up. So we gotta keep a close eye. So where I can tell you where we'll find liquidity is right up there. That are high liquidity. I've already run the liquidity here, all of this. Let's just see, there's liquidity. All right, so we're just going to have to keep an eye on it. What I want to do is just go back to the 15-minute quickly. I mean, there's a gap here, but I think this top end of this gap would probably be best to run. I mean, obviously, if you look at the 1 hour, 15-minute, we're still bullish. I'll show you guys something now as well. Well, 15-minute is like in between. The 1 hour. Let's go back to the 1 hour quick. So I'm going to show you guys the 50 moving average. 50 moving average is lining up with this fair value gap. So we might, looking at that as a confluence. Okay. All right, so now it's just basically sit back and wait. No need to rush, force trades, any of that. We're just chilling now. I'm crossing over the VWAP zone. Hey there. I'll show you guys what I'm also looking at. Okay, this is the 15 minutes. That high there with that high. It's diverging. We're getting momentum down. So maybe this is going to give us a nice push down. But we still got 7 minutes left, so you just wait and see. Oh. Well, looks like a strong push out. Nice liquidity up here, so right, so let's see what's it gonna be. Little gap there. It's gonna be one of those guys. It's just gonna drop. At least it looks like it. Just one of those days. I mean, what can you do? Missing out on a very, very nice trade, yeah. But it's at market open. I did not take it. I still think if we're patient, we might see price come back up to this high, yeah, and there's some liquidity, yeah, as well. So all of this is worth waiting for. Right, so where can we see us do the bounce? Right at this area. Mm-hmm. 50% of the push up. In theory, yes. But we're at a place where we could bounce now. So we could literally touch and bounce here, or touch, bounce, touch, reverse. But let's see. Let's see. It's a pretty damn aggressive push down. Two minutes left, guys. So maybe we see a bounce up here. This would have been a very nice short down there. 813. What's at 813? Oh, the 1 hour. Okay, so I see what you're saying. You're talking about the, I mean, yeah, but I'm going to wait for more confirmation. Yeah, that could be right. I'm not saying no. I mean, look at this. We draw the line. That's where I think we should bounce. If we want to go higher. This is the fair value gap that's holding price. We bounce off there, we consolidate. This could be manipulation to continue higher. And if it is, I'm going to wait for a nice setup down here. And if I don't get a setup and this thing just keeps dropping, okay, well, then it's fine. Then I'll just wait for when it's clearer. And just to show you guys, nice momentum down. Squeezing up here, squeezing up there, breakout. This could go down or could rip back up here. It all depends. There was divergence there. This is just way too big of a candle for me to take if I had a nice entry up here, I would have, but it's also the open. So I'm a bit in two minds with this trade, but nevertheless, this trade here was a super nice trade. It was just late in the day. So all these nice moves is coming at the wrong time. So And that's where you got to learn to let it go or jump in and ride it. So, yeah. I mean, now we're going into that 50%, which makes it. I mean, if this fair value gap, this blue one, if we inverse this completely, then we could go down or we could consolidate. Yeah. So let's see. All right, I'm taking this off. All right, so what's happened now? We've set the opening range, which is a massive one. 450 points. It's pretty big. I don't think we're going to come. I don't know. Just want to say I don't think. So let's just be patient. Okay. All right, so it's still dropping, guys. Nothing I can do. I'm not in any trades here. So we're just sitting here and observing. All I'm doing. I'm just observing. And I'll show you guys why I wasn't gonna take this trade. And I'll show you. Boom, boom, boom. This is the 15-minute chart. All right, so here's the setup. There's the divergence. There's the divergence. There's the momentum candle. A big, big ass candle. So if I was going to short this, you're going to have to short like this. 500 point stop. So I need to know we're going to go down another 1,000 points. Oh, and that liquidity lines up down there. So that's a 2.5. I mean, I'm not going to take that trade. And that's why I rather park on my hands. Maybe this is a nice trade. I mean, that candle almost double that, twice that. It's like a 900 point move. But then I've got this big, big candle here that could hold price in consolidation, and then you're stuck. And it's not like the market quickly do 1,000 points to get you out of it. So that's my reasoning for it. But if I did this, this is obviously an aggressive entry. I mean, I don't even see it. So that candle there closes. I mean, you could have, but I didn't. It's easier to say you could have, but it's fine. I mean, if I really believe this is going down, I'll wait for pullback to go down. Or are we bullish? So this is a big barrier for me, so just gonna have to wait it out. So yes. Mhm. Righty, let's see. All right, so we filled this whole gap to the T and then we rebounced. So let's see if we can follow through, break through and follow through. Ding, 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 ding. Mm-hmm. Let's see, what was this? Hey man, this. Okay, so far we've dropped. We're going for 700 points. 700 points, guys. 700 points. And counting. We're so far away from all of this, so it's not even a strategy to wait and blah blah blah, all of that. So I'll show you guys what's a good giveaway on this. I just want to see on the 1 minute if it's there. I mean, price is so overextended now. But what I want to show you guys, what is a clear giveaway on this. When you see price squeezing tight, it's above 50%, right? Everything's right up on top here. I mean, there's a very unlikelihood that we're going to continue higher from this point. I mean, the minute we break out of that bands, there's a very good chance where it will run low and then either consolidate to pull everything down or bounce back to continue higher. The only thing again for me, and this was just supporting it. But that's fine. Nice. Run, 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 run. Getting to 800 points. 800 points. If we get a setup here and price turns around to go higher, gosh, guys, we're going to kill it. All right, so next live stream after this AM session, guys, will be on Monday. Got traveling tomorrow. I've got too much to do after this. Huh. Big price is coming off the daily fair value gap. So let's see. So let's do this. Take this all off. This gap here. So price did come off that to sell down. And it's pulled back into that volume imbalance. So this is probably a target here that we've marked out, which is this volume imbalance down here. And maybe we make this one purple as well, because that's what it is. Okay, so liquidity went in this. So, okay. All right. If this breaks through here, then we're going to get there. Then the 15-minute trade was valid. 2R right here, 2.5R, I think. Oh gosh, this would have been such a nice trade if we were in it, or at least if I was in it. All right, so let's see. This is 10 o'clock. Will we see continuation? Just a little bit of a pullback, and then will we completely reverse now? Because we're back at that 1 hour fair value gap. Come on. Mm-hmm. I mean, if we really, really want to go up here, we could go back to this view up here and then continue lower. But I'm not trusting it, and I'm not gonna give profits away here. So haven't taken a trade today yet. Wow. Wow. So that is almost 900 point drop, right? Now we're bouncing 250 so far. I mean, we've got this little gap here to do it, but we did pin in there. So I don't know if we're going to go all the way up here now. And the reason I said to bounce here, I was looking at this. Let's go back to my 8. See, we close above the 8. And this is diverging here. As you can see, it's going higher, so running out of steam. Didn't break or close. Didn't. There it closed. Put your stop wherever. And then maybe look for a 2R. But we're very overextended here. But there was volume, and this could pull a bit sideways, slow move here. And I don't want to get stuck in that. So I'm just gonna sit and watch. The other thing that we must remember now, this looks like just like a pullback, right? We haven't seen this go break up yet. So this could quite easily turn around and come down. Mm-hmm. Okay, so let's see. This is almost equal lows, yeah. That formed. Didn't get through this one. This was nice, aggressive. Sells off and now pushing away. Don't know if we're going to continue all the way or are we going to do a little bit of a side dance here. What time frame are you talking about if you say long term? Because I can tell you one thing, I'm not sold on the bearish long term. And I'll show you why. Let's take everything off and let's go to a week. Okay, so this looks bullish. This looks like a consolidation. That's on a weekly. And we're coming off that fair value gap, so we didn't take that high out, so this could go either way. Same with the daily. I mean, since April we're in this long bullish move, and we went down, we went up. This is screwing around. This is consolidation, so we need to see what's next from here. So it's either going to make a big high, a new high, and then smash down, shift down to go low, or these two lows here, that's equal lows in this volume imbalance right here. So we could see a spike through those lows in that volume imbalance to run liquidity and then run up. So this is not telling me anything. We're literally in the middle of a range on this consolidation range. I'm not talking about this range. So the only reason I show this is that's what I look at long term. So I'll just be sure what you define long term as. Let's say daily, weekly, consolidation. Right, so we're out of the macro time is done. That window is gone. And all we did was we went down, we're back where we started on the macro. So this could just pop up here. Can't even squeeze a scalp here. I'm too scared to take a long. This thing drops back down here, out of it. Mhm. Mm. I mean, we could potentially get all the way back up into this 50 mid range. Right, so we got a little gap here. So I don't know if we want to test that and then bounce. I mean, let's try it. Let's try it. Buy. Gosh. Are we in it or we're not in it? What is happening? Oh, we're in it. Okay, let's see if we're going to get to that level there. Right there. And what I'm looking for, not on a live account. Now, this is a bit of a monster trade. I'm looking at this. Bounce there. And as you can see, that's why I said, gotta be careful. This is a paper trade account, guys. This is not a live account. Question is, where do you put your stop here? Down here, down here. I mean, really? Mm-hmm. Come out of it. Because if we take that out, we might probably just gonna drop here. Could. It could. Mm-hmm. Do, 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 do. I mean, this really feels like a pullback. Back to the 50% here. Just missed this. I thought we're gonna at least get there. We might get there now. But let's see. Mm-hmm. Yep, this is not going to be good for any trade. So we'll see. Let's hang in there. I don't know if we're going to get some nice trades here. Now, we're going to hang in and see. Mm-hmm. Looks like the drop continues. Pretty much stuck between these two fair value gaps. So, dum. Let's see. Ding, ding, ding. Right, so let's see. What do we got here? Oh gosh, nothing is happening. Righty. Nothing I can tell you guys. Price is hanging around. That's what it does. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Right, so now we're getting a little bit of a bump here. And this is probably going to go to where we wanted to go earlier. Let's see. Let's try one. Bump, 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 bump. And ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Alrighty. It's a bit of a counter trend trade, yeah. I feel we've dropped so far. I wouldn't be surprised if we go all the way back up here. I haven't taken any live trades, guys. This is a paper trade. I feel there was a nice setup here, but it moved too quickly. And I couldn't get in on the basis that I wanted, so I left it and it dropped that 900 points. So I want to get in now. I was in here earlier. I got stopped out, entered again. It looks like we're going to get stopped out again. But this is a paper trade account. There's nothing here telling me to go long, except for the fact that we've been so far below this 38 or 31, 32 level. That's very extended. That over here was an entry to take it up there. I didn't take it. And now it's just messing around on the wrong side. There's a little gap here, so maybe we get the bounce. This gap here. That's what I was expecting. Yeah, didn't get it. So maybe now we get it. Oh well, we're getting to that 50% here and we keep rejecting it. So for some reason I thought we're going to get up to the bottom end of that orb. And we're not getting it. So it doesn't mean, it doesn't help holding any trades here. So and this could, like I said, go a little bit sideways here to bring all of this down and in line to either cross back up or just, roll over further. Or maybe this could be the move for the day, and now we're just going to go sideways. This is exactly what I said earlier. Where do you put your stop if you entered here? It goes it looks like it doesn't go far, but it's actually far because it moved so much. You got to be careful with your risk here. Obviously, I'm not calculating the risk on this paper trade account. I'm just putting what it allows me on a trade. And I don't think there's going to be a trade for me today. I don't think on a prop account. Tomorrow, definitely not, because I'm not going to be around. So I did stay quite disciplined this week on that account. And the results talk for itself. It pays to be patient. Trade setups. Where do you set the number of... Gosh, where is it? Am I drunk? Guys, something's not right there. What happened? Oh, there it is. How did I not see it? So only two things going to happen, guys. I think. We're either going to drop lower, or we're just going to consolidate and just go like this. Had a big move down, so I won't be surprised if we just get stuck sideways today. And I'll show you another reason why I'm saying this. This is the simple 50 moving average. How often do you see the moving average goes down and make a V-shaped turn? It never does that. You need price to do this, to either from here jump test and then continue, or if it starts doing all of this, it's got to continue doing this in order to bring price flat, or this moving average flat, and then you'll get the moving average to either bounce higher or break down and go lower, that type of thing. So that's why I'm thinking we're going a little bit sideways here. And then just to jump from here, that's where the 50 simple moving average on the 15-minute is. So what did we say before? If it bounces away, it comes back, goes away. It either goes consolidate to bring it closer, or it goes there. So this has gone down. So this could do a gradually that move to bring it closer, to then reject it again, or it goes straight up, break it, and but it's never just, I mean, it will consolidate at some point. So it's finding me now. Wow, I was so excited about trading today. I thought, here we go, boys. We're going to make some money. And then nothing happened. Or it happened, but I was not there. All right, so now it looks like it wants to still at this 50%, guys. So just be mindful of that. Just be careful. All right, let's give it some time, yeah. Now it looks like we want to get there. So I'm going to take this momentum, yeah. Where did I say I wanted to take it back? I mean, it's literally there, so let's take it. I mean, I don't know if it's really gonna do all of this. So I mean, that stop is just crazy. This is what a chase trade looks like, guys. Actually, just gonna cancel the whole thing. I mean, I know it's gonna go sideways here. It might pop up. I don't know, but and I'm just doing the wrong thing now, trying to buy. But anywho, I mean, the liquidity for this is that I've marked out up here. I mean, I will be very surprised if we go all the way up there today. That would be a money-making day for people who took the short and then the long. We are making a little higher highs here and not lower lows. So this is all liquidity pushing, and then boom, probably see the drop later. I mean, to take this liquidity, that's what I'm saying. We all know we're going to want to do something up here. Let's do this first. Let's run it like this. I mean, that ARPLO is right at 50%. And I should have taken this straight here. I should have just went this way. It's also 2.5. But I didn't, so it doesn't matter. Right, so nice liquidity building up here, guys. 50% is right on this low, this opening range low. So guys, because we are moving like this, give us another 5 minutes here and then I'm gonna call it a day. Unless something massively suddenly change. Okay, so there's a nice push. I mean, this is a nice place for a quick 10 points. I mean, that gives you 50 points. But if this goes down, you could easily be down, what, 50 points. Alrighty, man, alrighty. Just struggling to get there. So gold is consolidating since the open, so Nasdaq was the only one that made headlines. Okay. What a drag this is, guys. All right, so we still haven't got back to the 50% of this bigger range from the AM open, which is right on this level here, which is the 744. We've got all this liquidity. Maybe we run it now and then come back later. I thought we would go up there and then come down, but obviously we're doing whatever we want. And I just want to show you guys what I explained earlier about this 50 moving average. Sideways makes a turn. And now we go either bounce from here to go up, or we slice through to go low. So we literally touched it there. Alrighty. I mean, I'm not gonna sit. I've got other things to do, guys. Thanks for joining this week and today. I'll see you guys on Monday. Don't overtrade tomorrow and later, and kill your accounts. Be patient. Always be another opportunity. That's going to be great. All right. So if I'm in front of the charts and I see something, I'll obviously put it on the Discord. But for now, I'm going to let you guys go, and I'll see you guys Monday. Take care, guys. Bye bye.